Chairman Pitts, Ranking Member Pallone, and distinguished members of the committee, thank you for the opportunity to testify before you on behalf of the Personal Care Products Council. My name is Halyna Breslawec. I hold a PhD in medicinal chemistry and am the Chief Scientist and Executive Vice President for Science for the Personal Care Products Council, the trade association representing more than 600 member companies that manufacture, distribute, and supply the vast majority of finished personal care products marketed in the United States. Prior to joining the Council, I spent 14 years at the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, worked in the private sector as a medical device consultant, and served as the Deputy Director of the Cosmetic Ingredient Review, CIR. Cosmetics are among the safest category of products regulated by FDA. The safety of our consumers and their families is always the #1 priority for our industry. Careful and thorough scientific research and development are the most important aspects of cosmetic formulation and the foundation for everything that we do. The cosmetics industry invests more than $3.6 billion each year on research and development and to ensure product safety. Companies conduct thorough product safety evaluations using the same science-based approaches embedded in FDA, EPA, and other regulatory agencies around the world. Numerous health questions are addressed, including, but not limited to, the potential for cancer, reproductive harm, and allergy. A complete safety assessment also accounts for who uses the products, how they are used, and how often they are used over a lifetime. The foundation of science-based safety assessment is that any ingredient has a safe range and an unsafe range, whether it is water or a vitamin or a newly discovered compound. An ingredient's safe range is defined through many studies. In formulating cosmetics, companies choose ingredients that can be used well within their safe range and avoid ingredients that cannot be used safely. Once a product is in use, companies continue to monitor consumer experience in the marketplace. Our industry also supports independent programs to review product and ingredient safety. The most significant example is the Cosmetic Ingredient Review, or CIR, which was established in 1976 with support from the FDA and the Consumer Federation of America. Today, CIR is the only scientific program in the world dedicated to a systematic, thorough, and continuous review of cosmetic ingredient safety in a public forum. The CIR expert panel is an independent body of world-renowned physicians and scientists, most of them who are affiliated with academic institutions, who assess cosmetic ingredient safety data in an open and public manner. The FDA, Consumer Federation of America, and the Council are non-voting members of CIR. CIR has reviewed the safety of more than 2,400 cosmetic ingredients, some of them specifically at the request of FDA. Consumers, scientific, and medical groups nominate the expert panels who must meet strict conflict of interest standards. The expert panel members are not industry employees. CIR maintains a completely transparent process. All meetings and safety data are open to the members of the public who can raise issues for consideration by the CIR panel. Their findings are published in the peer-reviewed journal, the International Journal of Toxicology. We strongly recommend that FDA incorporate the CIR into its cosmetic regulatory process by formally recognizing its findings. Science and safety are the cornerstone of the cosmetic industry, and collectively, we must remain steadfast in our commitment to safety. I'd like to take off my science hat for a minute and say a few words about the enormous contributions our industry has in making the U.S. economy stronger, especially how the cosmetic industry plays a unique role in empowering American women, both as consumers and professionals. Women make up 66% of our industry's workforce and hold more than half of the management positions. Our member companies offer women strong entrepreneurial opportunities that offer personal growth and economic freedom. Chairman Pitts, Ranking Member Pallone, distinguished members of the committee, The cosmetic industry puts consumer safety first, and we will continue to proactively work to ensure the products we manufacture contribute to the well-being of American consumers. Thank you.
Chair thanks the gentlelady and